Hi everyone. Today's lesson is about short E sound, its word families and activity based on that and the respective worksheets. So let's start. Now today we are going to learn about the short E sound of E. What is the sound of E? Ah, very good. Ah. Now if I add T here, then E and T makes What is the sound of E? What is the sound of T? E-T. At. Very good. Now, if I remove this T and if I keep D, then ED will become as, what is the sound of E? What is the sound of D? ED. Add. Very good. Now, look here, Filza. Now, what is the sound of E? What is the sound of G? EG becomes very good. Now if I remove E and if I keep N. Yes, what is the sound of E? What is the sound of N? EN. Very good. Now I'm going to build the words with this blending sound. Okay. Now let me see. What is HEN? Hen. Very good, because it starts with H sound and it becomes as hen. Very good. Fine.
Okay.
Now if I keep P and if I remove this and keep it as T, now can you spell this word? What is this? What is the sound of E? What is the sound of T? P-E-T?
Pet.
Very good. Okay, if I remove P and keep J. Now what is J-E-T?
Jet.
Very good, Filza. Jet. Okay, fine. If I remove, if I keep G and if I keep here the first alphabet as B. Where is B? Here is B. Now tell me, Filza, what is B-E-G?
Bat.
Beg. The sound of E, A. The sound of G, G. Egg. And the sound of B, B. So start with B sound. B-E-G.
Bag.
Beg. Very good. Okay, fine. I will remove this B and I'll keep L. Now can you tell me, Filza, what is L-E-G?
Leg.
Leg, not ledge. The sound of G is G. Leg.
Leg.
Good. Leg. Okay, fine. Now, Filza, look here. I'm going to keep P and I'll keep it as F. Let me see. Where is F?
Enter.
Where is F here?
This one?
Here is F. Come on, Filza, look here now. Now tell me. Can you tell me what is F-E-D?
Fat.
Fed. Very good. You got it now. Okay, that means you got it. Okay, fine. I'll keep R. Where is R? Okay, what is R-E-D?
Rat.
Red. So you got the sound. Yeah? Now, I thought of doing an activity to make her more engaged and motivated. So, I took some teacups and kept the labels of short E word families. Here she need to read a word, short E word on spoon and keep it in an appropriate word families. Here I wrote the words with a permanent marker. So let's start.
N-E-T.
What is N-E-T?
Net.
Come on, keep it in the where you will keep. Yes. It ends with E-T, so N-E-T. Next. Come on, read. Read.
T-E-N. Ten.
Where you will keep? Yeah. It ends with E-N. Yes. So where you will keep? It ends with E-N. Where is E-N? Yeah, you need to keep it here. Next. Next. Keep here, Filza.
R-E-D.
What is R-E-D?
Red.
Red. So where you will keep? It ends with? Look on your spoon. It ends with?
No.
E-D. So where you will keep? Yes, keep it there. You need to look at the last blending word, Filza. Come on, next. Filza, read. Read a word now.
M-E-N.
What is M-E-N?
Man.
Where you will keep? Yes. Next. Now next take the another. B.
B-E-N. D.
B-E-D.
Bed.
Where is E-D? Where you will keep? Yes, bed. Next.
P-E-N. Pen.
Pen. Where you will keep? Yes, good. Now you understood, yeah? Next.
It's G.
It start with?
M-E-T.
What is M-E-T?
Mat.
Very good. Where you will keep? Yes, good. Filza, you understood now.
J-E.
T. J-E-T?
Jet.
Yes, very good. You got it.
F-E-D. That.
F-E-D? It's
Fat.
very good. Fed. Yes. Good, Filza, good. Next.
P-E-N. Pen.
P-E-N is there?
T.
T. P-E-T?
Fat.
Yes, there. Good, good.
E-N.
What is H-E-N?
Hen.
Very good. Where you will keep hen? Yes, good. Hen. Next.
D-E-N. Den.
Yes, good. After doing an activity, I thought I must give my child a worksheet in which she can practice the spellings of words. So these are the worksheets that I gave. First, I made her to practice the spellings of final blending sounds of short E word families like ET, EN, ED, and EG. Then I gave her a picture and told her to arrange the alphabets in order to make a word. Like when you are teaching your child, you will say it's a jet. So the starting sound of the word is J. And here the child quickly recognized from these alphabets and say it is the J that makes the sound as J. And then the sound comes as A and ends with T. So now the child already knows the sound of ET. Now they can complete a word by writing as ET. So the whole word is jet. I did the rest of the words in the same manner. After completing the word families in short E, I keep on taking a dictation in order to make her confident with the spellings. Now I thought it's time for me to take her final test. So I prepared one more worksheet and here she is working on that. So let's have a look. So this is your short test and you have to write a word by looking at a picture. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the first picture? Can you write now? This is bed, yeah? Write the spelling of a bed. Write down.
Like this.
Yeah, B. What you are writing? Which alphabet? Yes, B. Say and write B. E. Bed. It ends with the sound.
The sound, okay.
D. Very good. Now, what is this, Filza?
Pen.
Pen. Yes. Now, write the spelling of a pen.
P.
Yes, very good. P.
E.
E. Very good.
N.
Very good. Very good. Now, next. This one is net.
Net.
Now, can you write the spelling of a net?
N.
Yes, very good. N.
E.
E. Yes.
T.
Very good. Now, next one. What is this?
Leg.
Leg. Yeah. Write this. Yeah.
L. 4.
L.
L. E.
E. Yes.
T.
Very good.
I can T.
G. G sound. G. 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 Not T. G. L. E. G. Leg.
Okay.
Very good. Now, what is this? This is den. What is the spelling of den?
The.
Yes.
D.
Yeah, good. D. D has got a
Type.
diaper, not belly.
Type.
D. D. Yes, D.
E.
E. Very good. E. Den.
Den.
So it is D. E.
D. E. Then
At the last letter will be
this one.
N.
And
Good.
Mama.
So guys, you need not have to give all the work at a time. I divided into sessions like I taught her words with a short E sound and its activity on one day, and on the other day I gave her 2 worksheets on ET and EN, and the next day I gave her more 2 worksheets like ED and EG to practice, and finally I took her test. So this is how you need to prepare your child, so it may even take a whole week to complete this whole lesson. So keep on practicing and you will definitely succeed in teaching them. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you have learned at least a single thing from this lesson, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.